Lesson 5 Part 3 Vocab. First, Senshu, last week. Senshu eiga o mini ikimashita. I went to watch a movie last year. Second, Konshu, this week. Konshu eiga o mini ikimasu. I will go to see a movie this week. Third, Raishu, next week. Raishu umi e ikimasu. I will go to the beach next week. Fourth, Sengetsu, last month. Sengetsu onsen ni ikimashita. I went to the hot springs last month. Fifth, Kongetsu, this month. Kongetsu Nihon e ikimasu. I will go to Japan this month. Sixth, Raigetsu, next month. Raigetsu oba-san ni ai ni ikimasu. I will go to meet my grandmother next month. Seventh, Kyonen, last year. Kyonen sotsugyo shimashita. I graduated last year. Eighth, Kotoshi, this year. Kotoshi 25 歳になります. I will turn 25 this year. Ninth, Rainen, next year. Rainen America e ikimasu. I will go to America next year. 10th, Nen, year. 1995 年に生まれました. I was born in the year 1995. 11th, Nannen, what year? 何年に生まれましたか? What year were you born? 12th, Gatsu, month. 4月は春です. April is the month of spring. 13th, Nangatsu, what month? 2月の次は何月ですか? 3月です. Which month is after February? It's March.